the chicken clean, and then I fry the chicken with the onions for a couple minutes. I cut it freestyle. It's no never what the size, big or small. Freestyle, how you guys like. Okay, I start with a black pepper, the seasoning, more. I like to use with my finger, with my hands. Yeah. Cumin. It's more easy to me because I can see. So with my finger I can feel the amount. It's more easier for me. Okay. Some more turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. This is my way to feel the amount with my hands. Yeah. This is hawaij למרק. Show you guys the pan. It's almost ready. You can see all the sauce, the potato soft, the chicken. It's almost ready. 5 minutes, no more.